clean until your place sparkles. Many prospective buyers maybe put off your home if they feel that the place is being unloved and neglected. So get cleaning. Number 2, repair obvious problems. Even if you decide not to do a major makeover, make sure things like chipped paint, stained surfaces, things like cracked windows, all those things are repaired before you have your open for inspection. Number 3, spruce up that garden. Make sure there are no weeds, the lawn is trim, shrubs and trees are pruned into shape, and maybe add a pop of colour or some nice pots at the front entrance and the back entrance of the property. You can do so much now. Even at Kmart you can grab some great pots and that are cheap as chips. Freshen up smells. Bad odours are a big put off to prospective buyers, so some great ways to freshen up your home is air fresheners. I love essential oils, or even brewing coffee on your stove are great ways to get your place smelling for your open for inspection. Lucky last, bring in light. Maximise the natural light into your property by ensuring your windows are absolutely sparkling clean. You'll be surprised how much natural light is reduced by dusty windows and spots on your glass. All right, thanks again.